Hi everyone, I'm here today to show you how to get the most out of our sustainable packaging system. Our packaging comes in two options, our carton and capsule system and our grab and go aluminum bottles. For new customers who've never ordered our products before, we recommend starting with either the 8-ounce or the 3.4-ounce grab and go aluminum bottle. If you've already found your perfect products and you're ready to get started with our capsule and carton system, we recommend ordering our Sustainable Starter Kit, which includes our reusable post-consumer recycled capsule and our paperboard carton. Each starter kit includes a product name sticker, which you can apply as you see fit onto the outside of your capsule so that you know what's contained inside. To start using your Sustainable Starter Kit, remove the lid of your capsule and put it to the side. Take your carton, flip it upside down so that the pointed side faces the bottom of the capsule, and drop it gently into place. Then take the top of your capsule and use the pointed end of the nozzle to depress the perforated circle in the middle of the bottom of your carton. Now put the tube of your pump through the hole that you just created. And use a light amount of pressure so that it seats fully onto the base of the capsule. Please note that because the lid does not lock onto the base of the capsule, it should not be picked up from the lid. If you pick it up from the lid, the cap will simply remove itself from the base of the capsule. To pick up the capsule, pick it up from the bottom. If your shower is too small to contain one of the capsules, we recommend pumping from the capsule into one of the 8-ounce bottles or one of the 3.4-ounce bottles. No matter what your budget or your bathroom size, our sustainable packaging system has something for everyone. For even more helpful FAQs, visit our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.